It's a bad bitch's birthday. Woo! I'm 20 today and we're getting ready for dinner at Nobu because I've never been and that's the level of bouginess I deserve. Since my hair's up, I want to be like really snatched. I'm using my little like face tool thing. Note to self, don't get extractions before something important because this is not normal. It's all just like pimples that weren't even there that are coming to the surface. I'm in a really good mood today and feeling like just grateful for where I'm at in life, so I'm excited to celebrate. Kind of have a look in mind of what I want to do. Like the dress is giving very European, Italian, so I want my makeup to kind of reflect that. I say that, it's probably going to be the same damn look I always do. I accidentally made my eyebrows really dark. I don't know how I'm feeling about this. Never mind, I slayed that shit. Fixed it. I spent the whole day like chilling in bed with my cats, which is ideal for me. Don't get me wrong, I love getting ready with friends, but there's something about doing it alone by yourself in your own space. I feel like I really get to lock in and this is gonna turn out good. Okay, I'm about ready to do this shit. We're going for it bright in our corner, okay? The Mario Ethereal Eyes 2 palette, the shade crease and outer part, and I'm gonna clean it up and make it like snatched later. I really am getting sick of him being so comfortable climbing everywhere. This cool tone shade, and I'm like trying to sculpt out a line. Mom just called me and talked about what we're gonna get. I want the crispy rice and tiny tacos because those are iconic. I drank a coffee and I'm still so fucking tired. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Okay, this is the part I'm slightly nervous for. The gray shade and go like really in depth of where I want like that shadow to be. I want you to be able to see the darkness when my eyes open. And like with what's left over, kind of bring it in. I connect it out here and then like I'll blend to make this look better. I'm kind of shaping up that light bright shade here and then I'm gonna like define it again. Concealer and kind of like shaping out and it's coming together, y'all. This is exactly what I want. I'm really that bitch for real. How'd I do that? Thin black liquid liner because I don't want it to be like super smoky. All the smoke is like done. You know, like a little baby wing. I think I want to smoke that out. I don't know. Okay, I like it, but I do think I should smoke out at least the edge. Soften it a little bit. Gray shade and just like go right over it. Kind of smudge it a bit. Yep. The move. I know what I'm doing always. Now this right here is the true reveal. House Labs mascara. This is one of my favorites ever. My lashes are insane right now. Mascara always makes everything better. Instantly like feel 100 times prettier. Glued like little falsies on the edge. This is very dramatic, but I kind of love it. The House Labs foundation will be a decent match. I liked my face to be a little bit lighter than my body. I feel like I'm the only person who's like that. Hopefully this covers up my redness well, but I still want some like freckles peeking through. I don't know. Since this is so full glam, I feel like I need to tone it down with the skin. Also like need the coverage because I'm breaking out so bad. My life is so hard. Gray brings out all the purple under my eyes, so I have to color correct it. Already looks so much better. Wow, I can like look at myself now. I'm low-key running behind because my hair took longer than I expected, but it turned out really good. Thank you, Kendall, for helping. Oh my god, it was a shit show at first. Westman Atelier Contour and Biscuit is like the perfect true contour shade. While we're on the cool theme, Ube would be so cute for this. Ooh, yeah, that is adorable. Parents are coming already and like I cannot film in front of them. Hopefully I can finish most of this. Oh my god, 3:45, it's 3:07, bitch. I want to be kind of glowy so I don't have to like over powder or set today. I sell blushes, but you have to like barely tap it on your face. It's low-key a little bit too pigmented and hard to work with. Like stop making blushes so overpowering and like more user-friendly. I still love it because she lasts a long time, but Mama's gonna complain about that. Okay, this shit is coming together. I feel sexy. Lip stain and Hazel, because I need this to last through dinner. This setting spray has quickly become like my favorite setting spray ever. It like powders your makeup for you. I love it. Definitely needs a finer mister because it kind of blasts your shit, not gonna lie. I'm gonna put my outfit on and I'll be back with the final look. Okay. Ooh! Okay, I'm kind of obsessed. I love it. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of this shade over top of everything because it's really gray. Okay, yeah, tone it down a smidge. This is my dress. I want to find a way to like low-key pin it to give it more snatch. That's my toxic trait, is I try to like snatch everything. Kind of side boob moment, slay.